Map work. Map work involves the ability to recognize conventional signs on a map and interpret what those signs mean or represent. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface as it is seen from the above on a paper. A large area of land, example town, land, village or whole local government, can be represented on one page of a paper. Types of map. Topographical map, atlas map, plan map, sketch map. Map scale. The scale of map indicates the relationship between the distance of 2 points on a map and the actual or equivalent distance on the ground. Map scale is the ratio, proportion or relationship between measurement on the map and the actual measurement on the ground. Thus, if the scale of the map is 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer, it means 2 centimeters on a map represent on kilometer on the ground. Types of scale. There are 3 types of scale, which are: statement scale. This is a scale given in form of statement and figures. For example, 1 centimeter represents 2 kilometers of 1 centimeter to 2 kilometers. The interpretation is that 1 centimeter on map represents 2 kilometers on ground. Linear scale. This is a line drawn to represent the relationship between the distance on the map and that of the actual distance on the ground. Linear scale is divided into 2 parts: primary divisions and secondary divisions. Representative fraction. In this scale, the distance on the map and the distance on the ground are expressed in form of fraction or ratio. Thus, distance on the map is the numerator and is always 1, while the denominator stands for distance on the ground. Both the numerator and denominator are of the same unit.